Hey everyone, I'm here for a video, my second of the day. Of the day. Before I start my physics video on the whoosh of sound effects, before I start all across the whole entire world, subscribe if you're new, share out the video, push the notifications, and the good old like. Let's start. Okay, don't mind my chicken shit right here, my chicken scratch. But this one's about whoosh on sound effects. So the first thing is about whoosh. These lines. I know my fill pencil is dying. I don't know how to type, but that's what I came up with. The middle is a frisbee, and the early lines are just mostly wind. Sometimes like frisbees don't make a sound, but like if you buy like a football toy that has like thick line holes that make sounds when you throw the toy football, it comes with the whistle. It's wind. The vacuum of the wind actually makes the sound effects like frisbees, football toys. That thing in the end, and it makes noise. You can throw that, makes noises. Any object. Sometimes meteors, because sometimes when meteors go down to Earth, they make a sound because of the wind. Or any kind of wind that make any noises. It's the wind current that makes the sound effects from anything, from any object that you see, from objects like frisbees, toy footballs, other stuff. But it's mostly on the vacuum of the wind. I know you can't see that right. I can see right there. I'm not really good at physics, but I'm trying my best. So yeah, that's mostly on the whoosh. Next one, I believe the next one is gonna be the Olympic starters on physics. So I want to ask you guys one more thing before I end my video. Should I do other types of physics like space stuff? I'm really good at that. I done tons of space stuff during my glory years back in the 2000s, late 90s. While I was in elementary school and high school, talking about science stuff. But space is like physics. I want to ask guys if you wanted me to do that. You can comment down on the comment section on it. But the next physics video will be on the Olympic starters. But for now, that's it for the video on my physics on whoosh sound effects. I know it's kind of rough of me doing physics. I'm trying my best. So that's it for the video. Here is my final thoughts. All across the whole entire world, subscribe if you're new, share out the video, push the notifications, give it a like, live long and prosper, and peace out. I'll see you guys on Monday. For now, peace.